Hello guys, Varen here, and today I'll be opening a knockoff of FuRyu's Overlord Albedo's a 7th scale wedding version. So, without further ado, let's start the video. So, this is a box of the figure in window style, and when we rotate it, you can view the entire figure in an art style on one side and a silhouette with clean yet interesting designs. The skirt's molded folds imply movement, while the bodice's textured surface resembles fabric. The clothing is embellished with translucent plastic diamonds that reflect light. Despite being small, the figure has a wedding dress vibe thanks to its elegant, styled form. A delicately created plastic bouquet with tiny, bright flowers, each petal delicately gradient detailed, is held together by thin, flexible stems that give the bouquet a natural swaying motion as the figure is placed, giving the ensemble a sense of dynamic realism. Sculpted from durable plastic, the demon wings boast a sleek and sinuous design. Intricately detailed feathers curve and taper, edged with sharp, menacing points. Black wings are subtly embedded, catching the light to create an eerie iridescence. The wings' articulation allows for dynamic poses, their span stretching dramatically, hinting at the power and menace they embody. So let's just assemble the whole thing. Here is the final look of the figure with close-up shots.